How to use Ecwid for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing a quick look at how you can get started with Ecwid for your dropshipping needs. So let's get into it. Now, Ecwid is a platform that enables you to create websites anywhere and you can start selling directly from Ecwid. You can also integrate this directly into social media platforms like Instagram Marketplace or Instagram Shop as well. Plus, it makes selling very easy. You can build your own website, you can sell on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You can integrate with pre existing marketplaces like Amazon, eBay. Plus, you can also connect your point of sale system in your physical store, as well as manage your entire store directly from your Android or iOS device as well. Now, to get started with Ecwid, simply head on over to ecwid.com. Once you're on ecwid.com, just click on Get Started for Free on the top right over here. And once you do that, just enter your basic information. You can choose to sign up with your email address or your Apple, Facebook, or Google ID. So I'm just going to proceed over here with Google, but you can choose to sign up with email as well. Now, we've talked a lot about Ecwid, but what exactly can you do to integrate Ecwid and dropshipping? Well, Ecwid allows you to sell on multiple different platforms as well as your own website. And dropshipping is a model that basically focuses on selling products indirectly or serving as the middleman. So, with Ecwid, you can build your own website and start selling products off of product suppliers like Alibaba or AliExpress, where you can find a bunch of different products in multiple different niches as well. So, let's say I head on over to Ecwid over here, and I can see this is your Ecwid dashboard once you create your account. On the left, you have your basic navigation. In this navigation, let's go and break it down a little. So, first off, you have your sales. Now, in your sales, you're going to be able to see all of the items that have been ordered. Then you have your catalog, which is basically the items that you are currently selling via your Ecwid account. So, the items that are available. Then you have your categories. Obviously, you can create multiple different root categories and subcategories within Ecwid. That is just to simply make it simpler to categorize products that you're dropshipping. And then you can also integrate features like gift cards. Now, next up, you have marketing, but we're not going to be focusing on that because we want to focus on building our website. So, on the bottom, you will see in your sales channels, you have your website. Currently, I have previously made a site with Ecwid, so let's click on Edit Site over here to take a look at what our website is currently looking like. So you guys can see this is the website currently, but I want to revamp this so I can go on to settings and maybe I'm going to go to the site dashboard. You can choose to get started from scratch as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the design and you can customize the appearance as well. But just in this control panel, we can see our basic site, all of the information. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to customize this a little differently. So what I want to do is I want to create a product section. So you can click on add product, add page, and you can choose, the intro and cover. You can choose the section. You can choose to design however you like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into store design, change store design, and then I'm going to change the store design of Ecwid. So you guys can see in Ecwid, there are not a lot of design configurations. You have your basic image sizes, your image aspect ratios, as well as some other basic features. Now, to add our dropshipping products, instead of having to manually add your products over here and then, manually send all of your orders to your suppliers, you want to make this a seamless process. And you can do that very easily with a dropshipping platform like Sup Dropshipping. Now, if you go onto Ecwid and scroll to your bottom left, you can click on Applications over here. And once you click on Applications, you can search in the Application section for AliExpress. Now, once you search for AliExpress, you're going to find the Sup Dropshipping application, which basically is going to allow you to connect AliExpress directly to your Ecwid store and start adding AliExpress products to your Ecwid store. So what you want to do is just click on Install over here. Now, once our application is installed, we will just log onto our AliExpress account and we will get started with linking our products or adding our products to Ecwid. So as you guys can see, this is our Sup dashboard. In our Sup dashboard, you guys can see you're going to have a navigation panel on the left and you can click on find product. Now you're going to click on sourcing over here and you will have multiple different platforms that allow you to find the product that you want. You can search for any kind of product over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into sourcing and I'm going to search for dresses on AliExpress. Let's say like this one or maybe this one, whatever one you want to sell on your store, and I'm just going to save this image. Once I have saved that image, I am going to go back onto SUP and I can just search for that image directly on SUP. So we're just going to wait for this to be completed. Now, in the meanwhile, let's take a look at the product section. So once you have your product queued up, you can actually list it and then customize it in the queue, then list it, and then you'll have your inventory and analytics present as well. I'm going to drop the file over here. So we're just searching for our similar products. So you guys can see these are the products that the sub-platform is finding and the price point as well. So you can choose the similar product or the one that fits the best, and you can choose to start adding that onto your store. If you're having some issues with, saving images from AliExpress, simply take a screenshot. And once your screenshot is done, you can just open that up. We're just going to take a second to crop this. So we're just going to save this over here, click on crop and done. And then we can go back into SUP and then import the new picture over here. So let's say I like this product over here and I can just click on import and then you're just going to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm over here, the product will be queued up. So once the product is in the queue, you can begin, actually changing the listing, how the listing is going to appear. So going to products, click on queued, and then we have our listed products as well, your connection as well. So you want to make sure your store is connected first. So you're going to go into stores and you can link your store over here. But I'm just going to go on ahead and browse our product. It's taking a little time for the product to be imported. So that is a bit disappointing considering. But I can just click on list to store over here, and just like that, the product would be listed to my Ecwid platform. So I'm going to enter my selling price as $6, and I'm going to click on list it now, and within a couple of minutes, my product would be listed onto my own Ecwid store. So it's really that simple and easy to get started with dropshipping on Ecwid. I can click on view in store to see the product, and you guys can see our product is being loaded up and it is now live, and it only takes a couple of clicks to import hundreds and hundreds of products into your Ecwid store. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video.